So a lot of people ask us about, the tractor. They love the our logo. They want the T-shirts with the tractor on it, and we do have a special story with that tractor. It's pretty special to our family. I think it's a 1941 Farmall, and it belonged to my Uncle Carol and my Aunt Janetta. And Carol passed away a few years ago, and we were able to. Get the tractor. The tractor remains in the family, and I hope it always does.
How old was Carol when he bought that tractor? Because he bought it for himself.
He did.
I feel like he was like a young teenager.
He was. Carol was 15 years old when he bought that tractor himself, and he was my dad's oldest brother. So there's 3 boys and a girl, and they grew up on a farm. And Carol bought that tractor when he was 15 with with money he saved from hauling hay. So it's pretty special.
Cool.
Yeah.
I just think whenever I see, you see your family, whenever I see the GypsyMoon tractor, obviously I think of Carol, but I also think of how it connects with GypsyMoon, and it's he worked hard and he loved what he did, and he was able to kind of put it to fruition. It's like these vendors,
that's right.
They're working hard, they're determined, and that's when I see that red tractor, it's just
that's right. And it's about tradition. He held on to that tractor and cherished that tractor, and now it's probably one of my greatest possessions that I have. The tractor will never leave. The tractor will never leave as long as I'm alive, and I won't.
I won't let it go anywhere.
So it's something that will be passed down.
Get a sticker of your face on the tractor.
that would ruin it, but that'd ruin it for everybody. But it is really special, and every time I see it, and one of our, when he wasn't in great shape and was mostly homebound before he passed away, he would call me every week, and we would talk about American Pickers. That was our, we talked about the American Pickers like they were our family and they were our friends. And so, you go, what'd you think about the Pickers last night? And so when he passed away, literally I've got so many treasures from Carol, because he also loved things, and he didn't like to get rid of things, and so I have a lot of Carol's treasures here. But that's definitely one of my most prized possessions is that tractor. So, and it's always sets as soon as you pull in the driveway at GypsyMoon, the first thing you see is that tractor. So I think it's fitting. We have a little piece of Carol here with us.
Yes.
So yeah.